In this video, we will present the running outline type. By default, when you create an object, it gets a fill and an outline type. Let's remove the fill so that we can easily see the outline. For outline types, the width of the outline is the most important option. The default outline width is 0.4 millimeters, which is the actual thread width. If you increase the outline width, then the software automatically changes the outline. For example, for 0.8 millimeters outline width, a double pass is added to make the running line thicker. For 1 millimeter, a triple style is added. For more than 1 millimeter, the outline type changes into satin serial. The satin serial is presented in a separate video. Now, let's see the running properties. First of all, you can apply a style of stitches. There is a big collection of decorative styles that are applied with a single click. Using them, you can easily create many different looks for your running stitch outline. When a style is applied, a default size of the style is used. You can easily adjust the height of the style frame, though, using the outline width. For example, this style has a height of about 3.5 millimeters by default. If you set the outline width to 5 millimeters, the style is proportionally enlarged. In reality, the length value is automatically adjusted to match the new style height as well. Imagine any style as a rectangular block. This one is kind of square, so setting a width value automatically sets the same length. For bigger and more complex styles, though, like this one, changing the width makes it appear like it didn't affect the length value. This happens because such styles have a minimum length. Therefore, to change their height, you need to type a width value that is greater than the length value. You may also adjust the stitch length of a style, that is, the distance between the first and the last stitch of each repetition of the style. If you set a length value, the aforementioned proportional enlargement of the style doesn't occur. In other words, setting a length value affects only the length of the style and not the width. This option allows you to create styles with individual length-to-width ratio, thus stretching them in different ways. Furthermore, using mirror stitches, you can mirror the style stitches in various ways. You can also offset the outline from the shape if you like, by defining the offset distance. Negative values offset to the inside. You can also add more passes if you like. In this case, the running line goes around 2 times, and this results into a thicker running line. Finally, you may adjust the stitch length. All the stitches of the running line have the same distance between them. You can change this distance by defining a stitch length value.